Hello guys, welcome back to our weekly live stream. Okay, let me know first of all if somebody is live that if my audio is good. Welcome back to our weekly live stream. Okay, so I think the audio is good. I can hear myself back. And let me know if you guys see the stream properly. If there any issue, let me know. I'll really appreciate that. So today's live gonna be about using different kind of AI tools. Like we have free tools available, we have paid tools available, and everybody's talking about AI. So I said, okay, let's do a live and talk about the AI tools because I see people are not using it properly. A lot of people don't know about them. They're still stuck in old ways. People who are using them, they're using it for the wrong purposes. They're using it for copy pasting the content and not the right way. Okay, so we'll talk in this live about this. I'll take your questions and I'll try to answer them with my knowledge, the knowledge I have about it for the topic. And yes, and we'll try to do a discussion also. I cannot see people, a lot of people live. So what's happening, guys? Let me know if am I live or is it just members only. Okay, let me check some settings because sometime it happened in the past that stream was not open for public. Okay, I think it's open for public. Okay, visibility public, category education. Okay, wow, it's weird. Something is something is not correct. What's happening? Okay, let me see what's happening. Okay, public access. Okay, we have live 5 people online. Welcome everyone. If you want, you can introduce yourself. And I'm just seeing how I can invite people to the stream because we have this new feature now on YouTube that I can invite you guys to join the stream. So it's gonna be fun. We have this native feature inside the YouTube app. So yeah, it's gonna be really cool. And wow, how can I invite people? Okay, I think it's maybe it's just for the for mobile only stream, not for the desktop stream. Wow, this really interesting. Okay, so we have some people. So we have Wesley. Hi Wesley, how are you doing? Bloom Fox. Bloom Fox is, are you from France? Fo, it means like okay. Bloom Fox, hello, bonjour. Digital Vita, hello. Wesley, yeah, yes, I think you were here on the last stream also, Wesley, if I'm not wrong. Vaughn ZZY, hello, hi Vaughn, how are you? If you guys want, you can introduce your real names also because sometimes YouTube is really complicated. I introduce myself first. My name is Abhishek, and this is my channel where I teach about WordPress, website development, programming, digital marketing, SEO, AI tools, a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff which I think useful because things are changing. People are asking new information, so I also change my content time to time, and depends also like what I'm interested in, what I'm reading, or what I'm working on in my personal life, the projects I'm working on. So I try to give that information also to you guys. Okay, so yes, so we all are there. Elvin Joseph, hi Elvin, how are you doing? Welcome back to the live stream. I just want to see how I can invite people. Does anybody knows if we can invite people? Uh, Let me know if you guys know that how we can invite people to stream. Okay, so today's topic will be the AI tools. Okay, so we have, we all have these AI tools like ChatGPT is one of the most famous one. Then we have Gemini, then we have Perplexity, then we have Grok, then we have Cloud. And all these AI tools provide free versions. Like all of them, they provide free version, and every tool they provide some limited amount of interaction with their premium versions also, or you can say with premium models. Let me explain you. Okay, so let's take example of ChatGPT. Okay, let me share my screen. So for example, you can see, okay, sorry, wrong screen. This is stream rules, but after, okay, so you can see here, this is ChatGPT. ChatGPT right now it's working on, if you click here, you see it's the free plan. I'm not using any paid plan. But as per ChatGPT, every 5 hours you can have 10 queries. Let me see where I already have this information somewhere. Let me try to find for you, and then because a lot of people they're asking. Okay, so here's this information. Can you guys see? Okay, so if you go to the official documents or ChatGPT 5, if you are like ChatGPT 5 is available to all ChatGPT 5 use on paid plus and other tiers. ChatGPT free tier account sends up to 10 messages every 5 hours. So what's happening here in this free plan of ChatGPT, you are getting, because private tab, you are getting access to the highest model ChatGPT 5, but it is limited to 10 messages per hour. And then what happened after ChatGPT 5, it goes down to ChatGPT 5 mini, which is the mini version. So how it works, like, okay, let me explain you. This is really interesting. I was doing the research for another video and I found this very easy things to understand. So I said, okay, let's share these things with people. So you can see here, this is the version what we get. So ChatGPT 5 is the main version for free people, for free plans. So when you can use 10 messages per every 5 hours with ChatGPT 5. Once you exhaust this limit, and this is really good, it has really good reasoning score, speed is good, not the best, because if speed is bad, then the quality of content is not the best. But what happens when you exhaust this limit of ChatGPT 5, then you come on ChatGPT 5 mini, GPT 5 mini. ChatGPT is the name of the product, so you can chat with GPT. So GPT 5 mini is the second version. Once you exhaust the limit in your free plan, then you come to GPT 5 mini, and once you exhaust that, you might be using 4.1 ChatGPT 4.1 or 4.0. So these are different versions used by ChatGPT. But basically, if you see any version, for example, if you go to this page and you see ChatGPT 5, if I scroll the page, you have ChatGPT 4.0. So these one without mini, without nano, these are the top models. Now we have ChatGPT 5 is the top model. So once you exhaust your limit, you reach to ChatGPT 5. Now same thing happens. So when you come to ChatGPT here, you can do lot of stuff in free version, like 10 messages every 5 hours. They are decent amount. They're not really good for people who want professional research. For them, it's not good. But don't restrict yourself that you don't have paid version. Once you finish, exhaust the information here, you can go to Gemini, and then you can ask Gemini the same thing, because Gemini also provide you lot of pre versions. Or you can see, you can have your Grok also provide you multiple attempts to try the latest version, which is the latest version, I think 4, or you have different versions also. I am working on another video, you will know in some time what are those versions and how you can take most benefit out of it. Okay, so you can use Grok also, and you can use Gemini also. Gemini also provide you his Flash, and then you have 2.5. For if you want to help something with reasoning, math and code, you can use 5 Pro, 2.5 Pro, otherwise Flash is good. Same thing happens here. 2.5 Pro is the fastest version, bigger version, the main model, and then you have 2.5 Flash, which is the smaller version, which is more faster, but it's also really good. So don't limit yourself. You have so many tools, you have Perplexity, you have so many tries every day on these tools to take benefit of the premium models, which people are paying for it. Of course, if you want to get the best thing, you can buy one thing. Do not buy AI wrapper tools. They do not provide good things. And a video is coming soon on these kind of wrapper tools. And let me know if any one of you using AI Fiesta, because this is really basic tool. I would not recommend anybody to waste your money on this tool. The video is coming soon on that tool also, very detailed video. So yeah, this was the thing. If you have any questions regarding how to use AI tools, what you can do, I'll be happy to answer you. Also, one thing I want to explain you, for example, these things here, if you go to ChatGPT here, if you're a student or something, you can click on this study and learn. This is really nice, real nice features for all the tools available. For example, help me with my homework or explain me a topic to me. So you can go in this, and then you can use a special version for this one. For example, if you go to Grok, you can do the same thing here. You can click on the side. For example, if you click here, let's say you talk about projects, and then you create on projects, and then you say, okay, there's new project created here, and now on the left side you can attach files, you can have conversation, everything is here, and then you can ask the question on the same time on the right side. So these are the good features available in all these free AI tools. And guys, do not limit yourself thinking if you do not have money that I don't have money to pay for paid version. You have option to try every day these limits, and also they once you exhaust the limit, you can go to other tool and do stuff. I know this little bit not interesting, but yes, for people, for students who don't have this access, for them it's really good. Okay, if any questions about this thing, let me know, and video is coming soon on this topic. You will see the video very soon. Wesley, can we submit website for the review? Yes, you can submit the website the review. Once we finish taking some questions, after that you can submit your website. For now, we are just doing live, taking questions, talking about some things. UV13 कैसे हो भाई? I'm good. How are you doing? And also, I was expecting a subscriber today. He was sending message that he want help. I try to help. Then he was like, okay, when you gonna be live? I tell him live, but he's not here. Yeah. And then I told you I'm gonna be live on 3 p.m. CEST, which is Central European Time. Guys, remember every Wednesday we do live stream on 3 p.m. Central European Time, because people on this channel, they're from different countries, so you can manage the time based on your country, which country you're living in. Is 3 p.m. Central European Standard Time. So yeah, so I'm expecting the people. Sometimes I think people, they think they don't calculate the timing from their own country, so please try to calculate that. I try to schedule the stream in advance, but still I recommend you to please check the time based on your country, your location, from where you're watching the stream. So that is very important. Okay, let's talk about something what happened in the channel last few days, because I see a lot of people did not watch. I don't know, something happening, the reach went down of the channel, or I think is the August, a lot of people on vacation, so people not watching YouTube, so not a lot of views. It's not about views, it's about the series I was covering in on my channel. We were talking about the topical authority, and we created multiple videos, but last few videos I think people are not watching, and they're very important video. I don't know why they did not watch that video. But anyways, so let me explain you what happened there. My idea was that it's vacation time, so people are on vacation, and that's why. Okay, so here are last few videos what happened. So this was the video of first video we created here about topical authority, and then after I created other videos. But after I say, okay, a lot of people are interested in topical authority, we got like 12,000 views and a lot of comments on this video, people asking the follow-up questions. So I create another video, second part, which is like create topical authority map using AI and boost EAT. And it's 11-minute video, a lot of people watch it. And then I create another video how to validate the topical map, because once you create the topical map of your website, it's the first step. Second step is to validate the topical map, because everything what you see, everything you create from AI is not 100% correct. You need to do manual intervention, and that's the right use of AI, that do the manual intervention. So I highly recommend you to watch these videos also, when I say how you can tune the topical map of website. And this, I receive so many comments. If you go to these videos, topical map videos, you see so many people, they get help from it. They were not getting views, but after they implemented topical map, they get so much views on their websites and blogs. So very interesting video. And then in the end, I explain how to implement the topical map, because we have the map, we created using AI, we validated the map, but how to implement on a website, I talk about the planning. This 5-minute video, very small video, everybody should watch this video, that how to implement topical authority map on website is the basic idea about all those things. And then one video, Nano Banana got tier image editing. I explain how it's got tier image editing or not. People are saying it Photoshop killer, and I think like we hype everything which is coming from AI. We hype everything like it is the best thing ever. Nothing it's killing all the existing software and solutions. So they say I talked about Nano Banana, and it is not at all the Photoshop killer. Photoshop offers so many features which is not even possible with Nano Banana, or you can say Gemini 2.5 Flash image model, which is another model from Google. So we talk about this. So if you are somebody who wants to edit images with AI, please watch this video. Interesting video. It will help you to edit your images quickly, but it's not Photoshop level, not at all. So yeah, this happened on the channel last time. Okay, might be people will start now as it is September now. Yes, that's my idea. But anyways, it's this channel is, I don't care about views too much. We have this channel from 5-6 years now, and I keep creating the useful videos. Okay, it's better to buy a premium expired domain or get a new one. If you can buy expired domain, is good because it already has some domain authority or backlinks. But check the history of the domain, what you're buying for. For example, I know a lot of people, they just buy this. Okay, this domain is like 5 years old. I can buy this domain and I will start getting traffic. No, that's not true. First of all, it's your content strategy. It's your content quality. You have to put the content. Even for example, you buy the best domain which expired, like for example Microsoft.com. This is a really good domain. Just for example, you got it. But when you buy it and after you cannot put the good content on this domain, what will happen? You will get naturally a lot of clicks, but yes, if you cannot match the requirement of people, expectations of people with the content you're producing, it will go down. So it's good if you're an experienced person. If it's really interesting. All these tricks, they are really good for advanced people who are advanced website creators, website owners, bloggers. For them it works really good for expired domain. If you're a newbie, you are a new person, you have no idea about, you're really absolutely beginner, doesn't matter. Do anything, start with any domain name and then cheapest domain name, and then you go from there. Okay, how many people we are online? Okay, what's happening, guys? Why our reach is low? We have like regular people on the stream. I think maybe I did not schedule this stream in advance. And let me check the guy who's messaging me. Like there's a guy, he messaging so much to me, all the comments like, I want this help, I like, come to the stream, I will help you out, and now he's not here. Who's this guy? Let me see. So I'm expecting him, I wanted to help him out, but how can I help him? He's not here. And sometimes it's very complicated. People send so many emails and messages, I cannot reply to all of them really quickly. So yeah, I apologize for that. It's humanly not possible for me. YouTube is a part-time thing for me. It's not my job. I do something else. It's just my efforts to give you some information what I do in professionally. For example, all these tricks which I share, they are not just things. These things I implement on websites, on internet every day. Okay, so let me see. Okay, any more questions, guys, you have, or we can start going to the next part of the video. Sir, I'm not able to redirect 404 plugin. Was that you who? But why it did not work? Digital Vita. I think what plugin you are using, and what is the website? I'm not able to redirect 404 URL. I tried redirection plugin, but it did not work. Maybe why? What is the problem? What is your website URL? And let me know in detail what you're doing. I need more information because sometimes it's impossible for me to explain you like what you're doing without knowing anything. Check first of all, the issue could be that you're not entering the correct URL. Make sure you are using depending on the plugin, you are using absolute URL or you're using the trailing URL with like not trailing URL. How you say this? For example, you're using HTTPS and then the complete URL, and then if you're using just the after slash part of the URL. So that could be thing. Normally redirect for plugins work very well. Which plugin you are using? I use this plugin. The plugin, let me show you. Have you tried another plugin? I think this is the plugin I use. Let me see. Redirection by, okay, yeah, this is the plugin I use. It's very simple plugin. What plugin you are using? Old pages has deleted, but you deleted the pages. Okay, so it's not. I just got a block. Can you tell me there's an improvement? Is not final version. Okay, yeah. No, but if you have not made so many changes, why? It's gonna be like make all the changes. Or if we get time in the end of the video, on end of the stream, we can review your things. Old page has deleted. I want old 404 URL, new URL. Okay. So this is the problem. This is not the plugin's problem. It's your problem. Plugin will not know what pages you had before. If you install the plugin, then some page got deleted, it will tell you the page got deleted. Plugins has this capability now. But if you have to manually enter your pages and then you redirect them somewhere. I create a video about it, brother. You have to go and watch the video on my channel. I covered everything in detail. So if you want old 404 URL to new pages, you have to add the 404 URL. For example, you had a page on your website which was like yourwebsite.com/page A, and that page does not exist anymore. So you need to go to redirect plugin and then you need to add the source URL page A and then the new URL. You have to set up by yourself. But why it's, give me more. Okay, give me send me. I give you my email. Send me if you want. Give me access. I will see. Is there any error you check on the website? Submit your website. Okay, let's do one thing. We open the chat for audit and everything, and then we can take it from there. Okay. So okay, let's do one thing. Let's open the audit, so you can submit your website, and then you can give me information, so I can check what's happening on your website, and then other people can also learn how to troubleshoot this thing if you are okay with it. Okay, first of all, before I start the audits, let me tell you general instruction for the audits. Be respectful, no spam, have fun, very important. Submit website for audit via pinned link in the chat. I will link. I'll give the link in the chat. We'll pin that. So from there only you can submit the website for audit. Do not submit website against Google YouTube policies. No gambling website, no adult website, no tobacco, no alcohol, no websites against Google policies, and also they are against my policies too. Wait for a chance and learn from other audits. That's really important. Be patient. Who need personal assistance can book the audit via link in the pinned comment. You can go in the description of this stream and you can book a call with me. If you want personal assistance, like you really want to help you, you can book a call with me. Consider joining the channel for members only stream. For members only stream or other benefits for members, you can join the channel membership. We have the channel membership program, which will also support the channel. So if you want to support the channel, you can join the channel membership. Okay, so let me show you the. So here is the page. You need to go to this page, website audit. Oh, sometimes I have so many websites on this server, test websites, but they're not available. This is the website I use just for this channel to give you information and stuff. So this is the website. You can go here, enter name, your email, what should I focus in audit, website URL, are you subscriber YouTube or not, and agree to terms and conditions, receive offers and free stuff. If you want something, your information should not be revealed here online live, do not submit your information here. If you want personal assistance, you can book always, you can buy a call with me. Okay, so enter these things. I'm going to add this in audit. So where is the, okay, here we go. website audit. Please submit your websites here who want to audit, and also Digital Vita, submit your website. I'll see if we can solve your issue on live here. And usually it works fine. I'm sure it's possible maybe you have some errors on the website, that's why plugin is not working, but yeah, let's see. Submit your website, login. I hope you have a test website. Do not give live website credentials. Create a test website, stage website, give me credential, because I think you already commented this on one of the videos. I think I checked a couple of days ago, but so many comments, it's almost impossible to reply all the comments. So yeah. Any more questions, guys? 11 people live. What's up, guys? Where are you from? If the first time you're on the stream, where are you watching the stream from? Let me know. I'll be really happy to know. And how it is going, guys? Are you guys back to school, college, your work? How's the vacation and everything? If you want to share anything with us, it will be really nice. If you have any advice about the channel, it will be nice. And also one more thing I want to discuss with you. We already talked about this a couple of times on the stream, that I want to start scholarship on the channel, that we want to provide scholarship to the people who cannot afford a hosting. So I was thinking to buy a server and then give hosting to people who cannot afford a hosting and they have good presence on Blogger, and they want to move away from Blogger but they don't have money, so we want to help those people. So I was thinking about what should we do. I will be happy, and it will be nice if you guys can recommend me how we should decide that to who we give the hosting, because if I give scholarship, everybody will be like, okay, I want free hosting, I want free hosting. I don't want to make it free hosting. I want to give the hosting only to the people who need it. So what should be the criterias? How should we do it? If you have any suggestions, let me know. I'll be really happy to hear your point of view, because this is a community thing. I want to grow this as a community, this channel, and I want that not always me who is giving advices. I want that you people also help each other. So scholarship gonna be the next thing coming on this channel for the people who want free hosting. So I want your advice how we can do that, because it's really impossible that I can provide free hosting to everybody. We can provide, like, what I was thinking about is, let me tell you my point of view. So I was thinking about what I will do. I will provide hosting to one person every month, or one or two person, let's see, and I can rent a big server from Cloudways. We have some little money from the channel now. Channel is making some money, so we can buy I can buy a server on Cloudways, and then we can host their website, WordPress websites, free of cost, maybe one or two people every month. And the criteria I was thinking about is, first of all, you should already have some website. Create a website on Blogspot, which is a free platform, just to see that you're serious. I don't want us, to help people who are not serious about it, instead helping people who are serious about it. And how you will know I want to audit their website on Blogger? It's free platform. Create a blog there, and then we can go from there. So this is my idea about how I will provide scholarship. But still, a lot of things need to be we need to think a lot of things, that how we can provide this properly, because this is not a foolproof idea, I'm sure. And I'm sure there will be some people who will try to take benefit of this thing, but we want to help people who really is in need. Is sharing a hosting plan possible? Yeah. Pallav, good evening. How are you, Pallav? Sharing, yeah, hosting plan is sharing hosting is 100% available. But my idea is not about sharing hosting and sharing. I have multiple, how you say, servers which I rent for my different kind of works, because YouTube is not my full-time thing, it's part-time thing. I run an agency, so I run a lot of websites and lot of different things. So yes, I was thinking to buy a server and then give access to people for their hosting, but for the people who really need. So yeah, let me know. I will create a video, special video about it, like very small video on the channel in coming days, and then you guys can contribute with your comments. You can also comment here. Pallav, good evening. How are you doing, sir? Also, Pallav, send me email. I have something for you. I have send me email. A friend of mine sent me Perplexity Pro subscription, and it's referral based. So if you have Perplexity Pro subscription, you can send to somebody, and they can get 1 month of free. I'm not talking about the Airtel subscription, which is like useless. Like people created a video about it, that it's not powerful. But I'm talking about the Pro subscription, the first $20 or $30 plan. So send me email. So send me email, Pallav. I will send you the referral, so you can get 1 month of free of Perplexity, or anybody who wants to get Perplexity free for 1 month. I have the referral. I can send you the referral. And also, this is nice. If your friend, anybody, or if you want to earn 1 month free, you can send somebody, and I think you will get 1 month free. So it's really nice. You can use a paid AI tool for free. Really good. So yeah. You can make 100 days scholarship for 3 people who already have a working blog website and want to move to WordPress. 100 days scholarship. 100 days very less, I think, even to see result. I was thinking about like 6 years or 1 month, because now we have channel membership also, and we are getting some money from there. People are supporting on the channel. Just to show you, so we have this channel membership, and I was thinking, okay, this is like, we should do this, we should give this, you see we have some members here. I think we have 20 members now on the channel. Not a huge number, but yes, at least we can take out the money for renting the server for people from this money coming from channelship. So people are supporting the channel. So I was thinking about to start the scholarship. So yeah, 100 is very less. Maybe we can do more. Sir, Google Analytics Tag Manager. Yeah, I know, dear. It's too busy these days. All my clients, they came back from vacation, so and work is too much. I'm like, it's really bad. I'm sleeping like every day for like 3 or 4 in the morning. It's too much of work. We have to finish the work first, lot of work, and then after doing other things. So it's, I'm not really getting time. That's why you see not a lot of videos are coming on the YouTube channel also. Just too busy. I cannot do this, and I'm only one to run this channel. So yeah, it's impossible. But yes, I will. The channel will come. We can have a call someday to talk about this. I'm sorry about it, Pallav, but yes, you will. I will try to create a video soon. Okay. Okay, what else, guys? If you have any questions, let me know, or we move to audit and solving the. Wait, let me send a message to friend. He's trying to call me. Digital Vita, please create a test website and send me the logins, so I can help you out with your issues with the redirection plugin. Okay, let's check. Maybe we received some of the. Okay, nobody submitted the website. What's happening, guys? Okay, so we have no website to audit. And Digital Vita, what's about you? What about your website? Or maybe let me check. Maybe the emails are not working. Sometimes it happens. I submitted mine. Okay, I'm checking. Maybe it's the emails are not working. It happens sometime. Or maybe sometime. Let me check the junk. If they go to junk, no, they're not in junk. Let me go back to website. Maybe they are on the website. What else, guys? Let me know if what you guys, how you guys use AI and how you find the free version. What is the difference you see there? And any of you using AI Fiesta, like AI Fiesta tool or not? Let me know, because I'm creating a video on that tool. 7 people online. Pallav, how is your website going on? Finally, we will have your website soon or not? Or it's too much pressure on you now? Because I know people come today. Yash will come and ask, where is the website, Pallav bhai? He always asks you this thing. Wow, you know, guys, we audited almost 600 websites on this channel until now. Amazing. Okay, so we have website. Okay. Wesley, you submitted 2 times. Okay, we receive it. Okay, so we have 3 websites. We have one website to Wesley to audit, and we have Digital Vita website with the issue of website URL redirect problem. But Digital Vita has created a test website and send me the login so that I can see and give more details. But provide more details. Like, if you don't provide the login, how am I able to understand? Provide which page you are trying to redact. What is the, like, all those details. Okay, while you prepare those things, while you prepare your test website or stage website with logins, I am going to audit the website of Wesley. Wesley, also, I recommend you next time you should provide more information. You just write website AdSense approval. You can send Pallav next when your site is ready, no pressure. Okay. So this is the website of Wesley. Let's see what we can learn from this and try to learn from the audit, guys. It's really important that you learn from the audits. Pallav, new website to audit we have. Okay, this is a website. You want to submit website for Google AdSense approval. You want to know that what do you want to know? What do you mean Google AdSense approval? Is it ready for AdSense approval? That's what you are asking. Okay, let's try to see. First of all, magicmediaang.com. Okay, Magic Media is a news website, business growth, insider guide, scholarship, marketplace, about us. Okay, it looks like a platform for some kind of people. Nigerian business can navigate forex, tax relief, successful enter Nigerians and beyond. The website design is nice, very nicely organized. This is, guys, this is a good homepage design. You see, this is how you create a website. It's not exceptional website, but yes, everything is super organized and clean. And how you should be doing. What people does, they make the website with the default recent posts on the homepage. That's all. No, but you should be doing something like this. I think website looks pretty nice to me. And even sometimes the content is not that great, it get AdSense approval. If website looks good, it get AdSense approval. I think your website seems like ready. On the first view, it looks impressive, and I think it is ready. What I will recommend you few things. What is marketplace? Okay, you're selling something. If you're selling, why you have why you want Google AdSense approval? Is it an e-commerce website or is it a blog? What is, why you want AdSense approval? I don't understand, Wesley. I don't understand your point of view. Because AdSense approval, you know, it will not make so much of money in starting. And if your website is e-commerce website, putting ads on your website, not the best idea. Maybe run ads to sell the products on your website. But website looks nice. I think it is ready. Let's try to read one. 5 ways to make a business trip. You're from Nigeria. Yeah. Nigeria is a very, very fast growing economy, and they say by 2050 it will be the 5th largest economy in the world. And a lot of I see peoples are engineers and new engineers are coming from Nigeria. Nice. I like the I like everything about this website. Maybe more things here, like put more like drop downs and add more topics what you're talking about, your categories and your pillar contents here. Position clear, keep a financial record simple, build a digital test story, build network online. Nice, I like this article. Simple, sweet. Yeah, I think your website is ready for AdSense. Yeah, but again, consider why you want AdSense, because is it an e-commerce website? You're merging two websites at the same time. Like, what's happening? What's the default target behind it? What kind of scholarship you're giving? But add more keywords here. For example, what kind of scholarship is it? And then you, if you're like, for example, excellence. Let's try to understand. Okay, trust fund scholarship. So add these. For example, you have different scholarship. Add the types also under here in the main menu, so that it's utilized by robots to understand more about your website. And then add more keywords here. I would like to see on the menu what is the website about. For example, business growth. Like, I think they are both the similar things, similar keywords. If you need this one, you don't need this one. If you have this one, you don't need this one. So maybe put the keyword which are valuable for you. About us contact can be I think you can put contact under about us, and on hover people can see that. And you can save this space to add more keywords. Social media should be there. You don't have social media, please create social media. It's it's going almost super hard nowadays to get traffic without social media. If you're not on social media, no, who told you that? Oh my god, where are you getting this bad advice? So you are saying that we don't really sell anything. I was told that e-commerce part may help with approval. No, who told you that? The person who told you to, if you add e-commerce on your website, will help you to AdSense approval. First of all, they're wasting your time. Unfollow those people who told you that, and tell them do not give this kind of stupid and waste advice to anybody else. I'm sure you wasted so much of time to add all these products on your website and you don't even sell them. So what is the purpose of it? Remove it if you don't have it. You don't need that. Your website is really good. It's just the content. Let's try to see more content. Okay, nice. I like this post. Very simple, sweet post, like you say, 15 blog post, image, and then little detail about it. Clear heading. Very beautiful how you write the text. I really love it. For example, if I see your website on search engine and I come to your website, then I will definitely come here and I'll say, okay, wow, this is super easy to read. And I see core idea. There's no recipe for hard design. See your face daily. And then small description. Oh my god, real nice blog post. I think your website is ready. Go for it, man. Go for it. Congratulations, and I give you best wishes. But get rid of marketplace. What you don't need, just don't have it. And social media icon is, you should be doing it. Create, maybe you cannot see. Mainly you can usually you can put the social media icons here. Create Facebook page. Create at least Facebook page. And what else? LinkedIn and Instagram, anything. Maybe you don't do anything there. Create pages and add those here. It just boosts the credibility of your website, and also when somebody search for you on Google, they can find more things about you, and that makes you more trustable. It definitely improve EAT. It's not if you put this, your EAT will not be the top notch, but yes, it will add to your EAT on your website. So yeah, that's my advice. Immortal Master, sir, good evening. How are you doing? Good evening, Immortal Master. AdSense, when all the method fail to earn money. Yeah, true. Or people, like, for example, I know people who put so much money on. Also depends. For example, if your business becomes really big, and then you can have so much money from AdSense, but it's not reliable income. It's not at all reliable income. I work with clients who has like millions of clicks daily, and they make millions, not millions, thousands of millions, maybe yearly money, and then the business like totally nosedive, like zero, and then the time comes the business goes up zero. It's not very reliable. You should have something more around it. How can I improve my post ranking in both search engine and generative posts? There's a video on the channel you can watch. Do the semantic SEO on your website, target for the keywords. Pallav, submit if you want, submit, why not? Submit your website if you want, we will audit your website. So there is a video you can watch, submit semantic SEO guide. I talk in very detail about how you should organize the keywords in your blog post, in your content, so that you can rank for multiple keywords. I highly recommend you to watch this video. Let me give you the, wait, okay, here's the video for you. Watch this one, you will learn a lot of stuff. And just watch, like it's all SEO. It's not just something strict, it's not some special trick I can give you and you will have the super high CTR and you will have so much of traffic on the website. It's not possible. It's all scam. Somebody is telling you that you can, special trick you can use and you can get a lot of traffic on the website. No, that's not true. That's a scam. So overall, learn SEO. I have so many videos on the channel you can watch, like so many. Topical map is really good, but it's to getting more traffic. It's not about the post optimization. What you're asking, post optimization. For post optimization, best thing would be go to your search console account, see which keywords you're ranking for, which pages are working nice, and take those pages and improve those pages. That's all you can do. Look for the keyword what they're ranking for. Go to Google and search for it, and look what the first article is coming, and compare your article, your post, your content from that page, and you will know what you are missing. Okay, where is Digital Vita? Did you prepare your website? I have not received your. Suman Rana, Nepali cricketer, you are back. Who will say hello in the stream? I didn't know. Yeah, I didn't get it if you are back already or not. If you're on the stream. Suman, Nepali cricketer, right? Okay, so he changed the website and UI and he wants us to audit. Nice. Looks good. Social media is there. Remote night mode. Nice. Mini coach, good evening, sir. Prachi here. Hi, Prachi. How are you doing? I'm good. How are you doing? Welcome back to the stream. Okay, so this is a website for Suman Rana, our Nepali cricketer. Yeah, cool, nice website. Looks good. I think I already gave suggestion. Divide them in categories. If you want, like for example, you have all the 9 blog posts here. Instead of having this, divide in categories like 6. For example, sports, esports, car, bike, main categories. You should add here like esports and then 6 posts or 3 posts, or make it a slider, and then next category, then next category. But right now we have all the recent blog posts. It's very small things you need to work on the website. What else I can advise you? Get a logo. I think if you really want to convert your website to a brand, I think it's now time for you to create a logo, or at least something which reminds for NPL updates. That's my advice. That's not something which mandatory you should be doing. That's fine. Samsung S25 Ultra Prime. Oh my god. Nice, nice done. Yeah, you work little by little, and your website will be nice, slowly by slowly, little by little. How we say, little by little, slowly by slowly. Okay, yeah, looks good. Yeah, text is good, readable, nice. Also, instead of putting ads, okay, I think your ads are balanced. You don't have too much ads on the website. You have a couple of ads, one and two ad here. So I think it should be fine. But you can put ads also here on the sidebar, because sidebar, if somebody look from the desktop, they are seen here. Your ads will be displayed here, but they're not disturbing the content on the website. But good, well done. It's really good work you did until now. I would like to see. Oh wow. Okay, one thing I want to give a suggestion. What is this? Is it a banner? Because your kind of website can benefit from a slider. If you put a slider here, you have multiple things, so people can come and scroll and they can see what they are interested in. For example, 5 or 6 top posts, like for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 posts from here. I would like to see 6 slider here, 6 posts on here, and people can uh, slide and they can click. For example, if I come here, I'm not interested in cricket. I was like, okay, this the on my face is cricket. But when if I scroll, I say, okay, after I find cricket, after I find cars, bikes, phones, so that will increase the CTR, and the client, not client, the visitor will be more satisfied. And too much ads. So yeah, that's all. You want something specific? We audit. Okay, let me. Okay, Pallav submit your website. I'm waiting for it. Okay, Pallav submitted website. Pallav, okay, we already talked about it. Immortal Master, thank you, sir. Why? It's your website, Immortal Master? Today you are from the ID of. Is it Suman Rana? No. What happened to Suman? He submitted website and then ran away. Okay, so we have the website of Pallav. See you some other day. Need some work to do. Okay, good luck. Best wishes. See you some other day. Yes, sir. That is me. Real ID से अपनी. This is how what this is the Gen Z real ID से हाँ. Pallav, I think website is broken. Sir, account page, archive page, tablet page, home page, just. But I don't understand the website. How I can audit this? So this is Pallav's website. Pallav, something is not working on your website. I think all the CSS is broken. What's happening? Let me see if I'm using the. Sometime, guys, we use the ad blocker plugin that also breaks the website. So if sometime you see some website is broken, it's not working properly, it's possible that because the ad blocker plugin might be breaking the JS or blocking other important resources on the file. What should I audit, Palo? I don't understand anything. Okay, I think it's not ready yet. UV, bye UV13. Okay, Digital Vita, I asked you many times. Please send me the access to test website. I want to help you with 404 URs. I have not received any email or anything from you about the access. So, okay, okay. So I think yeah, we should be. It is my real ID, but used to upload gaming content, so gamer name. Nice. Okay. Minikosh, how it is going as a blog? You are very active on the channel at one point. How it is going? You're watching the video. Did you get any help? How is your website going? Did you improve something you want to share with us? And I'm looking for this guy. He's messaging me so much in comments to ask him help, but now he's not here. And he commented like 10 of the videos, different videos without anything. I was like, okay, let's help this guy, but he's not here in the stream. And today he messaged me, why you're not on the why you're not live at 3 p.m. I'm like, okay, man, 3 p.m. is CEST. I reply him with the comment that is Central European time. Apunka Games. Who is this person? Apunka Games. Yeah, I see now. Okay. Any more questions if you guys got? I think we are done for here today. Almost 1 hour mark. Also, guys, should we change the time of live? What do you think? Is it better to do some other day and different timings? Let me know also. Let me know that also, because I was thinking also Wednesday, 3 p.m. here for me is fine because I finish my work. After lunch break, I can do this live session. And but for some people, it's not the perfect time. They are going for dinner and stuff. So I think it will be better if you can suggest any other timing. You're always welcome to comment on the videos and provide your feedback and provide your. आप खुद कहाँ से नॉलेज है करते हैं एक सीक्रेट बता दीजिए प्लीज़. But I am working 17 years in this industry, man. So my knowledge is coming from what I'm doing every day because I run an agency. I'm a programmer. I develop websites, softwares, all those stuff, and I'm working on real projects. So my knowledge is coming from implementation, and then I share my information here. And also I read a lot of official documentations of boring documentation of the things. For example, everything about. It's going very complicated. A lot of official documentation I read, so my knowledge information is coming from there. Good evening, sir. Okay, Nepali cricketer. Okay, real ID से आ गए. Sunday, sir. Sunday. Yeah, actually, Pala, I was thinking about Sunday. I was thinking also about Sunday. The Sunday is more relaxed time. People will be more. 10 years तो मुझे भी हो गए, लेकिन आपकी नॉलेज के 30% इक्वल भी नहीं हुई है. But work hard, Raza Kamil. Why? You have to think about it. First of all, take help of AI to learn more stuff. For example, like if you want to learn about digital marketing or anything, you need to implement those stuff, and you need to really go to second level. One really important advice I would give you: please try to watch official accounts. For example, if you're using YouTube, like please go to official accounts of the products you're using. For example, follow Search Console Central on Google. Follow the people who really give you good advice. Do not follow the people who are just talking about inspiration, because I think the problem with blogging and digital marketing is a lot of people, they just talk about inspiration. Most of you talk about inspiration and people watch their content. They say, okay, this person got so much money, this person got, and they have no proof what they're doing. They just like talking, impressing you. They're manipulating stuff and all those things. So don't waste your time doing those stuff. Implement things from yourself and you will have knowledge. And sometimes it's okay, it takes time. Just like try to improve your whatever you're doing. and it's okay. Everybody has different learning curve. I think that's totally fine. And but the important thing, what you are doing to improve the knowledge. Sir, do you know about prompt engineering? Palla, you want to say something about it? What is prompt engineering? It's totally overrated. People, it's totally overrated. Guys, today in 2025, you do not need to take course of prompt engineering. Just for example, okay, in real life, when you go to somebody, are you able to express your feelings or not? It's just human thing. For example, if I'll ask, I don't know, like I want to know about your culture, but you can make a question. Hi, I want to, for example, Raza Kamil. If I talk to you, I say, okay, hi Raza, how are you? I want to know more about you. What do you do in your digital marketing agency? Where you come from? Which city you come from? And who is in your family? And what do you do in your life? So you just ask your questions like in detail. If you just give enough detail, the AI will understand the prompt. You do not need to like really do a course of prompt engineering and stuff. I see people are sending the selling the courses like prompt engineering course 5,000 rupees, and people are buying it. And I feel so bad for these people, because why you need to buy a course of prompt engineering? If you just go to ChatGPT, write your easy prompt and say make prompt better, Chat will make prompt better for you. You don't need to like really buy these courses. This is super overrated, prompt engineering. Anybody who's selling a course of prompt engineering, if they're selling you for 200-300 rupees, like $5-10 is fine. But if somebody's selling you 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees course, stay away from those people. They're fooling you. And also depends on your knowledge also. Like if you're really how to say beginner in this field, then please go and learn. Take help of AI to learn. But yeah, but then every time I hear about prompt engineering, I'm like, yeah. Anmol Batla, hi sir, hi Anmol, how are you doing? Welcome to the live stream. Yeah, but it's true. And it's super easy nowadays. A lot of people ask me, sir, do you have where is your course? Where is your course? Like, why you need course? You don't like everything free information? And I don't have so much time to create courses. I'm working on my real thing, and that's why I'm able to gather so much information, because I'm working on real projects. We are working with big companies from USA, Australia, everywhere in the world. And yeah, this YouTube is like side hobby. I like it. It's interesting. And it's really fun to interact with you guys, to create videos. I love video editing, so that's also nice. You've seen my videos. I try new things all the time, so that's nice. That's the whole goal behind it. Okay, how many people? 5 people, 7 people online, guys. If you're new to the channel, if you want, you can introduce yourself, be part of the community. And yes, WhatsApp group is coming soon, so I'll publish a post, and then we will have I was thinking to create 2 WhatsApp group. So one is for, because I see a lot of audience, they speak Hindi and Urdu, and we have like a global audience on the channel. So I think 50% audience of the channel, they don't speak Hindi. They understand English. 50% audience, because they come from USA, Canada, Germany, United Arab Emirates, Nigeria. A lot of people from Nigeria are there. South Africa are there, and rest like 30% from India, 10% from Bangladesh, Pakistan, and then like 5-7% from USA. So I was thinking about to create 2 WhatsApp group, one for Hindi speaking people, Urdu speaking people, and one for like main group. But it will be complicated how we run that group, which group you're gonna join. Do you think I should create 2 groups, or just create one group for English or any language? Because I don't want that if we create a group, one group, and people just talk everything in their own languages, and then for rest of the people it will not interesting, and you cannot control people to say. So let me know what do you think about this. Sir, what if we are working on B2B keywords and it does not have much traffic? But do more keyword research. Keyword research is your friend. Do more keyword research. Go to Google Keyword Planner tool. SEMrush also got nice, but if you don't have access to it, totally fine. You can use Google keyword planner tool comes with Google Ads account, free tool. That's really nice. Sir, question from out of the box. Can you suggest some project idea to do in my semester project web app? But there are a lot of tools nowadays web app you want to create. What you can't? Okay, you want idea? Let me tell you. You can create something with AI. For example, like you can use API of any of these tools. They're really cheap. Like for $10 you can get 1 million tokens, even more than that. If you're using the mini or nano version of GPT-5, you can get like, I don't know, $1 or $2 you can get like 1 million tokens. So you can create, for example, a app which I was thinking for many days. I don't know if it exists or not, but for example, you can create a app, travel planning app. For example, somebody will come say, okay, my budget is like 10,000 rupees. Suggest me where I can go with this 10,000, my trip and hotels. You can create something, take help of AI and APIs from different platforms, and you can suggest them the travel planning. There are a lot of apps available for travel plan, but they're not really good. So you can do something nice, go to those apps, find what they're missing, and create a real helpful app to people. People say, okay, I have 50,000 rupees for 2 people who want to find 3 days of vacation, and you can give the option. You can ask them where you live, and from there you can use the APIs to find the flights, the train tickets, and the hotels in the budget. A lot of things. Ask ChatGPT. I think it will be nice. What else you can do? Pallav or anybody, if you want to suggest what else you can provide web app for? I will come to you, Anmol. This I'm just thinking to give more suggestion to Suman. What else you can do? Create something around AI. I think it's gonna be easy for you also. You're gonna have traction also from people, because AI is the buzzword now. Everybody's talking about AI, and AI is the future also. Create something related to AI. Ask ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Nepali Cricketer, send me email. I will send you referral for Perplexity. You can get 1 month of free Perplexity Pro. Okay. Nepali Cricketer, do you know Satish ke videos? Yeah, I have seen some videos of him. Anmol, sir, are we using GTranslate paid version? Shall we change the title in the language? No. Okay. First of all, don't use GTranslate for your website content. It's not at all good. Really bad idea. It will affect your SEO negatively. GTranslate is fine for basic stuff, but not at all. Like, do not use for SEO of your website. And go to my channel, and you will find this video. Let me share it with you. Screen sharing. If you go to my channel, I have this video explain why it's really harmful to use to use like translate service, because they provide very bad quality of the translation. And also, when you try to translate the content, you're creating copy of the same content. So I don't see the matter there. I don't see like it's being very helpful. Use professional translators. That's gonna be very helpful for you for your website SEO. Like, this is not the right advice to use. With the stream. GTranslate, no matter what version you use, is not the best. Okay. This video, you will understand a lot of things. That why SEO stuck if you use the translation service. So multilingual SEO. Anmol, watch this video, you will learn so much stuff. Translation is good for a lot of things, but not for SEO. It's actually very dangerous. It tell Google that you are creating the same page with low quality of the translation. You will always need, for example, like if imagine, send me email Nepali Cricketer. Your email will not be displayed here. By default, YouTube delete all the emails you send here in the chat box. Send me email, go to my channel, you'll find my email. So yeah, there's a thing. So please take help of the professional translator and define what you are translating for, what is the purpose of it. Imagine like Hollywood movies, if you translate Hollywood movies in Hindi or whatever language you speak, Anmol, how it will be? Do you think it will make sense? It will not make sense at all. It will not at all make sense. They change the languages. When they release a movie in different language, they change the movies. So if you're doing multilingual SEO, you want to translate the content, use a better translation. Not translation, but use a content writer who's writing a content for that language. Immortal, I'm planning creating event management app like concert, local events, show meetups as local event finder. But good idea, good idea. Okay, it's okay. It really depends. I tell you, it's not all about how good your idea is. It's very important that what is your reach. Reach is very important, guys. You can create the best app, but how will get these concert, local events, workshop on board? We already have the app like Meetup. They have a lot of budgets. Then they do a lot of paid advertisement and stuff. So how you're planning to promote yourself? What is the planning for marketing? Because creating the best product is not the end of the product. You think you will create a very good product and everybody will jump on your product? No, it does not work, brother. It does not work like this in real life. Real life, the corporate life is much more different than what we are used to told. We say, okay, do the best and you will get, no, nonsense. It's totally nonsense. It could work, but yes, you really need a strategy. You can create an app. First of all, learn what already apps exist. There are a lot of apps already exist, and there are big companies who are providing so much of feature. For a new individual, it will be really hard. You need to do really research to find out, because I was also I thought about creating such kind of app. That's why I know this about this point. Figure out something what they are not providing, and then how you will promote it. Will you go to the places, concert places? You will go to the bars. You will go to the local shops, workshop. How you were thinking to bring them on board. So think about all those things. Can be good idea. If you can onboard a lot of people in your area, that's the best advice. You can start from there just for push, and once you start from there, your app will start making some money, and then you can of course do better promotion. But first of all, I highly recommend you create a planning, do a market research about your product. For example, if it's not the perfect market fit, if you cannot find the gap, do not do that. You will waste your time. So strategy is very important. Thanks, sir. But if you stop now, search console boom like 404 errors. No, why it will? No. You didn't get, Anmol. You didn't get the point. It's why it will get 404 errors. 404 errors come. What is 404? 404 page says that this page don't exist, and it is not. It is an error for people to understand what happened here. If you see 404 in search console, it's not always a bad thing. First of all, you can always use redirects. So what you do, you say, okay, we have this page. We don't have this page anymore. You rewrite that page to a new page or relevant page. That's all. You will see 404, but it's for good. So everything what you see in Search Console is not an error. I see a lot of people, they say, okay, I see so many things in Search Console and this is big error. It's not an error. Search Console is it's a master plan of your website. It shows how your website is working, how it's performing. If, for example, if I create a page on my website, okay, best AI tools for 2024, what would I do? Now we're in 2025, what should I do with that page? Would somebody go to see that page? And that page is not important anymore because it's for 2024. So what I do? I redirect that page to the new page. Okay, this was the old page and I pass the juice to the new page. So now my page remains same, best AI tools for 2025. So what I'm doing, I'm set up a redirect from old page to the new page. So it's, if you see like 404 errors, it's not always a bad thing on your website. For example, if you had a product, for example, if you're a SaaS company, you finish the product and you don't exist on your website anymore, what you will do? You will keep showing that? No, you will create a redirect there and redirect new page. And 404, you should be organizing the 404 strategy for your website also. Okay, Nepali cricketer. Okay, I think we are done for today. Any more questions, guys? Super busy day for me. I have some meetings later, so I think we're not gonna continue this stream for like 2 or 3 hours. We already are like 1 hour and 15 minutes into the stream. That's really nice to talk to all of you. I think we have some new people today, not so much regulars on the stream. And yeah, I was thinking to move this stream on Sundays, but let's see. Yeah, any last questions, guys? Let me know, and then we can wrap this live stream. And also, please let me know, guys, what's the group? What do you think? Should I create one group or two groups for WhatsApp? Like one for like Hindi, Urdu, Nepali. I think Nepali and Hindi are very close languages, right? If I'm not wrong. And people from Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, I think. Yeah, let's see. Okay, I think that will be all for today for the live stream. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining the live stream. Keep learning. Uh, Take use of AI and watch the videos. There are so many important videos on my channel. Like a lot of times, so many things question are asked by all of you guys, and it's really hard to answer those in one live stream, because when I create a video, they both have different values. Videos their own values, live stream their own values. Live stream is more like back and forth conversation. So you say something, I replied back. You reply to my reply, and then we can talk about it. Videos are more focused. For example, if you want to learn a concept, I think videos are better way to learn concept than the live stream. Okay, guys, thank you so much, everyone, for joining me today on the live stream. Have a good rest of the day. And people who want Perplexity Pro, I already told, send me email. There is a referral program. When you refer to somebody, you get 1 month free. So I can refer to you. Somebody send me 1 month free, so I can send you to 1 month free also. It's a pro Perplexity. Garcival Arena just subscribed. Wow, thank you so much, Garcival Arena, for subscribing to the channel. If you want, you can introduce yourself, who you are, where are you from, and Anmol, please. Yeah, Anmol, tell me what is the question. Yeah, Garcel, welcome to the channel. Let me know where are you from, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask the questions. This channel is all about web development, SEO, AI tools. I think I want to create a lot of videos on AI tools, because these days I'm working a lot on AI implementation, on APIs and stuff. So I'm getting a lot of knowledge about those things. So I also want to share those knowledge with you guys. So let me know if you want to see me to creating videos on AI. And I see a lot of people already creating AI videos. So would it be interesting for me if I also create the things? So I was thinking, what can I do differently? What extra information I can provide which is not easily available? So if you have any suggestion about that, let me know. Anmol, ask a question. What is the question? Are you from Maharashtra, Anmol? Is it a Batla? Is it a Parsi name? Okay. Sorry. Yes. Right. I confused. Yeah. But what about Batla House, the movie? Batla. It's Batla and Batla different. Okay. Nice. Sir, GA4 plus GTM. Yes, Palla. You will see soon. Nepali cricketer, sir. What, sir? Real ID से आगे. What Nepali cricketer? Sir, have you checked my Gmail? I will check after, bro. Be patient. Have patience. Have patience. We are doing live stream. How can I check your email? I will check later. Don't worry. Most of the times I check everything. Sometimes Same content as the city name in every page. What is the question? I don't understand. Same content in every page is no duplicate content. If you keep same content different pages with the same URL, it's bad for SEO. Watch my video on duplicate content, low value content. You will understand. Content is totally duplicate, but they still are getting traffic. Yeah, it's just a matter of question until it's getting traffic. It might go away. So it's not a see. You can do things against the strategy, against the policies of Google of different things. You might get traffic, but that's not a long term strategy, and that's not a good strategy. You can I don't know what example should I give you. This if duplicate content using multiple pages, this is duplicate content. And first of all, if you're getting traffic, fine, but any time your website could be blacklisted also. So yeah, lot you see, bro, the websites 90 domain authority website, huge website, they lose their traffic overnight. I'm talking about website, they're getting millions of traffics every day. Every day. They use a lot of bad tricks and they were getting traffic until they didn't get flagged from Google and one point gone. Finished, totally finished the websites. This agency is following but yeah, we don't care about what other people do. Okay, this channel is, I will not give you bad advice. No matter what is working or not, this channel is not about giving the wrong advice, even if it's working. This is bad, this is duplicate content. You can read the Google policies. Google policies strictly says if you're creating the same content different pages, first of all, the other pages will not be indexed because they will mark it duplicate content. If they are still getting traffic, at one point will not be. If somebody is doing that, does not mean we should be also doing that stuff. And yeah, I don't know what I can explain about this point. So YouTube will be banned in Nepal soon. Why? You said WhatsApp will be banned, YouTube will be banned Nepal. What's happening in Nepal? Why you're banning everything? Seriously? Why? What is the reason? I have to read. Is it on the news? Can you send me the news or something? I'll check. Exactly. Yeah, yeah. They can use their website. They disappear overnight. See, this is the thing. Knowing the real concepts. When the problem is that if you know the real concepts and you implement it, you have long-term benefits. You don't worry about Google algorithm. When you try to apply cheap and dirty tricks, you might get successful, but at any point your website might disappear. Why? Okay. Let me search on online. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, what is it? The Nepal banning you. YouTube and WhatsApp both are banning? What? Wow. Write an article about it. This is the current news. 33 minutes ago. Nepal banned 26 social media platforms including Facebook and YouTube. What is the issue and why the ban? Currently 5 platforms allowed in Nepal. TikTok and Viber. Facebook is banned, X is banned, Instagram, YouTube. Oh my god. It happened when just oh okay, it happened last week. Ah, okay, comply is okay. This is a good thing. I think it's a temporary ban. Oh wow, bravo Nepal. I appreciate if they're not complying. Sometime I think yeah they should be complying with the policies. Depends again what the things are. Is it just like the how you say bulldozing this platform and using for their own benefits, or if there's something doing which nice, which we know what we have Facebook, we have proved that Facebook started riots in some countries, and if they still not comply with these policies, so yeah, why not? They should understand that they cannot do anything what they want in their in or any of the countries. So yeah, but I don't know the complete why it's okay. Here's why the ban enforced. 70 deadline pushing companies to appoint local license to contact person to that end. Bill a parliament. Yeah, they should be a local person. Why not? I think this is a valid point from Nepal. Nepal is a country. No, it's not about Stone Age. Okay, if you try to understand what happened here, so Nepal is saying, okay, this is the thing. We should be not always trusting the first thing we see. We should be getting more information about it. So when you say Nepal is banning everything, I'm like, okay, it's not nice. But then I see why they say, because Nepali authorities have been pushing these companies to appoint a local liaison or contact person. So for example, something bad happened with WhatsApp. For example, there's a group on WhatsApp which is doing some illegal activities. They cannot call somebody in USA about it. No, they need a person in Nepal who can answer to the government, to the police, to the authorities, who is responsible. At least we have this very big case in India with Uber. I think 2014-15 we have the case in India. A woman was, I don't know, raped by Uber driver or something happened. And then after later they found out they have no real office in India. I think everything was like one room, or I don't know, there are one or two persons. And then after government said, no, you cannot do like this. Who is responsible for this? Who is managing the safety of people? Who is complying with the local policies? It's really important. If you cannot just sit in one country and you can run it on all over the world, and you say, okay, we don't have responsibility for it. We create a software, now we don't have responsibility for it. Responsibility and accountability is very important, and everybody should raise their voice about it. Don't worry about it. I think it will be back. They will be back again. They will appoint a local liaison and then they will be back again. I don't think it's a permanent ban. Okay. But it's good you get leads from other countries. But you should be, if you're getting leads from good other countries, you're making money from it. Spend some money to hire people who can translate content, not just translate, to create the content for those countries. So should be legal pages be indexed? Why not? They should be indexed. Your like privacy policy and terms and condition. Yeah, doesn't matter. They're not indexed. They're not indexed. They're not so important. How many times somebody will come and search for your legal pages? If somebody want to do it, they will come to your website and they will see that in your footer or somewhere your legal pages. So I don't think they are so much important to people. This is the thing, guys. Sometimes we just waste our time on things which are not really important. For example, sitemap. Sitemap is, Google says from itself, if you have a website less than 500 pages, sitemap is not at all important. Google will know your pages. You don't need to create a sitemap. Don't spend all your energy and time on creating sitemaps and too much worrying about it. Sitemap is not, it helps. It does help. Sitemap does help. It tells Google these are the important pages and we can resubmit sitemap. But sitemap is not at all the most important thing on your website in case you have a small website. If you have a big website, it's really important, it really helps. But website less than 500 pages is official Google document. I shared already in my sitemap video. I think the second part of sitemap, I shared the URL and the document where Google says it's not important. Vitamin Thrills, hi, welcome back. No, don't worry about it. If they're not being indexed, no, you don't need to worry about if they're not being indexed. Vitamin Thrills, too late. We are almost closing the stream. And also, it is interesting to do. Can we do live stream on WhatsApp group if we create WhatsApp group? How it is going? Out of town. Okay, nice. Okay guys, I think this is end for today's stream. Nice talking to all of you guys. If you have any questions, somebody want personal advice, you can always book a call with me. It's a paid consultation, you can always book it. And keep learning, and then let's see you in next live stream. Thank you so much everybody. Vitamin Thrills, you are out of town, so yeah, good, have a good journey. And we will connect back next week. So, and for the people who are new first time on the channel, every Wednesday we do live stream. Every Wednesday 3 p.m. the live stream is here. 3 p.m. Central European time. I think you can calculate with your own timing in your country how much is it. Because I live in Paris, France, so yeah, for me it's sometimes it's complicated to convert the time into all the countries, because we have too much time difference. For the, I think India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka is like 3 or 4 hours of difference, and Nigeria I think 1 or 2 hour difference. So yeah, just think about it, convert it to your own time zone, and then we can connect on 3 p.m. CST. Okay, thank you so much everyone, and see you guys next time. And feel free to comment on the videos if you have any questions, let me know, and have a good rest of the week.